Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing my thoughts and insights based on the Likert scale activity about awards and recognition, particularly in the context of Filipino artists and artisans. Let's break it down. First, the statement says award is something that is conferred or bestowed, especially on the basis of favoritism. I somewhat disagree with this. While favoritism can sometimes play a role in awards, most are meant to recognize merit and genuine achievements, especially in the arts. The next question asks if the current incentives are sufficient to support the awardees financially. I choose neutral here because financially support varies. Some programs are well funded, but others fall short of truly empowering the recipients. Now about the definition of Manlilikha ng Bayan. I strongly agree with the statement that it refers to Filipino citizens excelling in traditional arts. It's an honor to recognize those who preserve our cultural heritage with such artistic and technical excellence. As for the government standards of qualifications, I somewhat agree that they're meant to encourage would-be awardees. However, I feel that some criteria might be too intimidating, which could discourage some talented individuals from even trying. Lastly, on whether the government has provided adequate support to the awardees, I somewhat disagree. While there are efforts to support these programs, many awardees face challenges in terms of financially backing or long-term sustainability. Overall, this activity highlights the need to ensure fairness, sustainability, and encouragement in awards and recognition programs. Supporting artists and artisans goes beyond the title. It's about empowering them to continue their craft and preserve our culture. Let's continue to champion these efforts. Thank you for watching.